the post recording, obviously, here on YouTube that you're seeing. Isabel's starting to not fuck with Chainsawman. I think that last episode upset her. She was saying, like, God. I don't know how I feel about it, because it was a slow episode last episode, but
listen,
we're about to see
I'm
the hallway devil.
Bitch. I'm nitpicky. It's so hard for me to get into something.
We're about to see the hallway devil, and then everything will spin around for you.
Yeah.
And we'll be in good
graces. The hallway devil?
Or the staircase devil.
The staircase.
I hate this soccer, which is annoying.
Kobeni! Let me stay calm.
What?
Put in my double peace sign to stay calm.
Well, shit.
She's like, I have a whole panic attack. What is your powers? Your peace signs aren't even you peaceful.
Aki, what's going on here? No shit.
I fuck with him though.
Maybe the head devil you just cut in half in that hallway? Fuck the whole hallway up?
I fuck with him, but this bitch in the background. The way I just love the way he fucking walks around.
Yeah, you guys literally didn't check a single one of the rooms on the whole floor. You're like... What? Oh, they're not in the real hotel right now?
That would be in some infinite space, like fucking Jujutsu Kaisen. Got to be, I'm telling you.
Damn, right back out the other door. None of the windows go anywhere. And she's just having a fucking stroke.
Oh, why are we all sweating? Hey, 8's my favorite number.
True, you're right. Lucky floor.
It's just giving me real strong Jujutsu Kaisen vibes. I don't know why.
Why is he in bed?
Oh,
this is probably Devil's doing. And going through the ceiling, ended up on the 8th floor again? How does that work? That doesn't work like that, I don't think. Yeah, exactly. What is her power, bro? And isn't it worse to have her there because she's like directly scared of everything? So wouldn't that make everything
send your
stronger?
brother to college? What?
He's the gifted one. Why you pick sex worker?
What? You couldn't pick yourself and just wanted...
Why didn't you pick sex worker then?
Why didn't you just steal the money for yourself and go to college?
Power? Laughing directly at her fucking face. Yeah, no, fuck that shit. Yeah, you're making them stronger, stupid.
What is she here though for? But like honestly though,
does she do
you have
something
any power?
later?
Like, do you have anything, hun? Girl.
Yeah. Okay. So what does that tell you? Time's paused? Okay. Denji's like, I'm gonna take a fucking 30-hour nap right now. What do you mean when you figure it out? 4, right? Like, where the fuck else could he possibly be at?
I feel that. Sometimes you just gotta have a good... Oh my god. Oh
so I knocked her ass out. Power?
Why is this bitch here?
Oh. All Katao to me. What? She's always like that.
Okay.
So she's just like a psychopath that constantly just says random shit all the time. And you're like, yeah, his power's normal. Still 8:18. Why is he freaking out? I love that they put him in the dark room.
Both of the problem children in the dark. Look at them.
Yeah. Damn, last sig. Figure out. Dependence. Yeah, why do you think that? The graphics look good as fuck, but the animation looks so good.
What levels you were on my blanket on the floor when you unblanket?
Let me guess why you joined the public safe. You're out to kill the gun devil, aren't you? How did you know that I hate the gun devil? Your name is Sasuke. Aki. Akike.
No.
No one literally in anime ever plans on dying soon, ever. Hating ass bitch. That was the slap demon. My partner's girlfriend? Oh. Yeah. You got him killed, so it's kind of fucked.
With what territory? Being partners?
With her partner dying on her all the time, that she gotta deal with the families.
Probably should.
What are you about to do, Aki? Smack her back? What the fuck? Got her.
What?
Gotcha, bitch. Serves her bitch ass right.
What a funny moment.
She never thought about getting petty revenge. Have a screw loose. Oh, a sig? Yeah, try that. Try this out. See if it calms you down. He's like, I really want to fuck. Smoke this cigarette. Yeah. Yeah, let him have it, bro. Come on.
He's right up in anybody's face. Oh my god. That's an indirect kiss. That's an indirect kiss.
Cheating! No! Red flag! That shit's not funny. Well, he's a lot bigger now? What? You can eat. Let him eat Sakura. Humans hear me? No. Looks like you know what would be great for that. Oh shit.
That's why she said. God man. I knew he was walking into a trap. Why did we want him?
Is this girl gonna have a power? Oh my god. No, she's gonna fucking...
What the fuck?
It's gonna keep getting bigger. Oh shit. Yeah, exactly. Why would he? Or else what?
Well, Satan comes up and slurps them up and is like,
Dying?
alright.
This guy's struggling too? He once Denji dead, so he can absorb the fucking thing inside of you.
Thank you. Now, can we feed these two idiots? Kubane, whatever her name is, and then that guy.
Oh, because that's why they're saying, he's saying, because the demon knows the only thing that can kill him is...
Yeah, Denji, and so, I don't know. Can we take all these betrayers, the girl that's knocked out, and this motherfucker out?
She's like, I'm just gonna blame everything on Denji.
Oh my god, these two.
What?
These two guys are so useless. This guy and this girl. They're really annoying.
I don't understand. What is her fucking problem, bro?
Yeah, this shit's dumb. This shit's dumb.
Spicy?
Like these two strangers, it's pissing me off. Can we just not see those other two characters again? I'd be chilling.
But why is she reacting from him?
Yeah, those two are fucking
Grow
up.
has his
No
fear
shit.
grows. Yeah. The Eternity Devil? What?
Pulling some Inception shit. I would hope.
Power's not in the room anymore. Good, kill that bitch.
Please die. Power's so.
Thank God those two are over there. Push her.
It means you can't rely on people like that in battle, for regardless.
What is up? Bro. Takes a lot of years off Aki's life in exchange.
I figured it was something like that, where he would probably die or something.
How did he get over there? Oh, fuck, that's right. The rooms are disconnected. I forgot. Power, you gotta help your bro, right? You gotta help your boy, right, Power? Come on. I hate this bitch
This
so
is already
much.
this episode.
Yeah, this bitch is so... Well, what is her point? What is her purpose? What's her point of being in here?
They're like ruining the rest of it for me.
Yeah, what's up with your friend? What's go with his life now? Exactly. Exactly. Not you fucking bitches. Now you're scared too. Bitch, he's been saying we're gonna use his sword. Kill yourself. Use it. Use that thing and get rid of yourself, man. It is too. Denji, come on. Yeah, why is he scared of the chainsaw? I don't get it. When it got attacked. Yeah, exactly. There we go. Fuck that bitch for the rest of this anime, though. Like, she literally, there's nothing she can do to redeem herself for the rest of this
I'll fight
anime.
anybody that's a fan of her. Any of those, both of those characters need to go.
Yeah.
That's whole, they just ruined the whole episode. All the rest of it's fine when they're not speaking. It's okay.
Get the chainsaws out before you jump, Denji.
Annoying ass build up to him jumping in and doing it. Why didn't we just do this from the start? Like, what was the point of all that bullshit? Like, I'm not saying I'm not hyped for him and his fight, but
is that it?
Like, yeah, that was it. Because that's the whole build up to him fight. Like, what the fuck
Bro,
was that
episode was trash.
It would have been so good without those two being too much and just being too annoying. Like, just stop being, like, stop talking. You guys were saying the same thing the whole time. It was kind of